What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bobby G, and we got a good video lined up for you today. Got the white gloves, so you already know it's going to be something good, okay? You see the name. You see it right there. You know what's up. Let's get to it. You already know what that is. Galaxy S25 Ultra. We got the silicone case, and we got these SmartTags. So let's get it. There you go. We got in that. What do they call this color? They call this the titanium white silver. So there goes the phone and all of its greatness right there. I know there's some noise on the internet about the Samsung something with the logo. This logo looks perfect. Okay, so we're good right there. Let's see what we got included with the box this year. So we got the good old-fashioned classic semi-ejector tool right there. And if we open this up, your good old classic free included USB-C cable. Then you're gonna have your usual quick start guide, terms and conditions right here. Then volume control capabilities. Okay. That's new. Well, I haven't paid attention to that before. But here's the phone. Let's take a look at it, okay, y'all? Let's take a look around, okay? So again, this is in that titanium white silver color. Hopefully the camera and the lighting is doing it justice. It's actually pretty nice, okay? Pretty nice on here. Let's give you that first power on. There it is right there, that One UI 7. We got the SmartTags this year, so let me go ahead and open this up and see what these are about. I'm gonna need some help from my friend, Mr. Milwaukee. Let me see. In case y'all are curious what comes in the box, what do you get besides all the little SmartTags that just fell out? You're gonna get a quick start guide. We'll take a look at this here in a second. If I need to, I might be able to figure it out, y'all. You do have a little semi-ejector tool right there. And this is gonna be the SmartTags right there. With this one, I got a 4-pack as part of the promotional deal of buying the S25 Ultra online. Looking at them online, I was like, dude, those things look hideous. They're just huge, hideous things. You know, because I've got the Apple AirTags that are just like, you know, little small circular things, right? They're compact. But they actually are pretty cool. These things look pretty cool. If y'all saw me on Twitter complaining about my order taking forever to get fulfilled, come to find out, it was because these were back ordered, the SmartTags. Let's take a look at the last thing in the lineup, which is gonna be this Samsung case. And this is all part of the online little deal that I got. You really pick like, I think they gave you like 80 bucks credit or something like that you could use for different stuff. This year I chose the, what color is this? They call this, I think it's like a mint color. See if I can find it on the box. I put it somewhere in the video, like right there. But I think it's like a mint color. But you're gonna get the case. Of course, walking you through how to put the phone in the case. And then just a filler box. Set that to the side. Well, I doubt that we need it, but here's the case right here. This is the silicone case from Samsung. Looks pretty cool. Like, it looks all right. I can tell you right now, probably over time, I think this is gonna pick up some body oils and some dirt and stuff and start to discolor pretty easily. But inside looks pretty good. You've got kind of like a felt lining. No, actually, that just feels like plastic. Just, you know what? Take that back. It's not felt. It's just plastic. Designed by Samsung. There's gonna be the bottom cutouts for your S Pen, USB-C, all that good stuff. I do like this little metallic setup that they did around the camera ring. That actually looks pretty cool. You know what? While you're here, let me at least just put this phone in the case for you guys. This is what the phone looks like in the case. White silver showing through around the camera ring. Bottom, you can see the silver of the titanium of the outer ring. S Pen access looks like it's pretty decent. Oversized cutout for your USB-C. You are gonna have a raised lip, even raised lip all the way around for that face down protection. I don't have a screen protector on there yet, so right now it does, it has a pretty good amount of clearance between the screen and the raised lip. On the back though, it is gonna be even. It's gonna be slightly raised for these cameras, but that's not really like a big deal, right? Thank you so much, guys. It's your boy Bobby G. Just let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in particular in these videos or want me to do as part of the process. But that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on setting up this phone and getting it ready to use. It's your boy Bobby G. I'm out. Peace.